Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You should start with safety. Park and set the ignition to accessory so screens power without driving. Once done, open the main infotainment menu using the touchscreen or rotary knob. This is where GPS settings live. Make sure to note whether your system labels it as navigation, location, or connected services. If you paired your phone, check both car and phone settings. Sometimes location is shared from the phone to the car, and you'll need to disable that too. You now go deeper. Tap Settings, then Navigation or Location, and find the GPS, Position, or Location Services toggle. Turn off navigation first, then disable location sharing and any connected service toggles. Some systems separate routing from telematics. If your car uses Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, make sure to open the phone's app permissions and revoke location access. Otherwise, the phone can feed location back into the car. Once these are off, confirm the map no longer shows live position. Finish by verifying. Open the map to ensure there's no blue dot or live position indicator. If absent, GPS is off. If the car still shows location, power cycle the infotainment system or fully restart the vehicle. This clears cached location data. Make sure to recheck paired phone permissions because phones often re-enable sharing after updates. If GPS remains active despite settings changes, contact your dealer or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.